Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I got my Pipos mini cheese mouse. Pipos mini cheese mouse. I just ordered this little guy less than a month ago, and she's already shipped. So I'm pretty excited. I also brought in some Pookie clothes to see if anything will fit her. I really have no idea what size she is at all. And I also brought in a latte yellow. This is little Kumiho. Hi. And I'm going to do a size comparison for you guys so you can see what they look like. I think they're still for sale. They don't really have a date, like a date when they end the event. So I really don't know when they're ending it. I'm pretty excited though because I haven't gotten a new doll for like a billion years, it feels like. I'm pretty excited. And I have one other Pipos doll. She's a Pipos Rooney, and I never use her. I should because I really actually like her, but I never use her for anything. Okay, so here's the box. It's got a little, I don't know if you can see, a kitty on it. Yeah, a kitty. And it's like a really nice fabric box. And I'm guessing this is a certificate of authenticity. Oh, this is cute. Whatever that is. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. It has been a long week. Such a long week. I feel so exhausted. So if I just keep zoning out, just ignore me. Alright, I also got I think these are the sitting legs. Oh, they're flat on the bottom. So I guess that's why they're sitting. I got the pink one. Here she is. Let's check out the situation here. And I got her with a face up, so... Oh my gosh! She's the cutest. Oh, I'm so happy right now. Oh my gosh. The cutest thing. I guess you put her sitting legs on by just normal stringing. Oh my gosh. Look at this little precious thing. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, and she has a little magnetic tail. She has really strong magnets. Oh, her blushing is just the cutest. Oh, I see myself, and I'm looking extra especially great today. So let me just put this in front of my face. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so here she is in comparison with a latte yellow. She's just a little baby. She's probably going to be about the size of my new latte white that's coming probably next millennia because of how slow latte has been with their shipping. So, but there she is. And let's see how to take off her faceplate. I don't want to mess anything up because that would be the worst day ever. Okay. There she is, like this. And then some really super weird brown eye putty. But it's really well put in there, so I'm just going to leave it forever. Because her eyes are already really cute. Okay, so there she is. I guess I might try on a Pookie dress and see what it looks like on her. Take off her tail. They had a dress option that came with her, but it was a lot of money, and I didn't want to pay for it. So I just decided that she would be naked forever, or I would find something that I already had. That's a little big. Let's see if I can find something else. I was lucky to even be able to afford this little mouse, strictly speaking, because of how many other things that I'm paying for right now, but I did it. Okay, this is pretty cute. Okay, so this is a little Pookie dress, and it looks really cute. And yes, her tail is really magnetic, so it will actually stick through the clothing. Oh, so sweet. I wonder what size shoes she would wear. Do I have any shoes in here? Ooh, let's see. Can you wear shoes? Yes. Yes. She can wear shoes too. Oh, there. Oh, she's so adorable. I just want to die. Happy, happy, happy. I'm so happy. Haven't gotten a doll for so long. Forgot the feeling. Such a great feeling. Where is the other shoe? I don't know. There's a blue one. Oh, there it is. Oh, she looks like she's dressed up for school. She probably couldn't wear like hard shoes, but she can definitely wear these little leather shoes. Oh, she looks so cute. She looks like she's going out for a little stroll. I love her. Ew, my face. Gosh, I just keep catching I keep catching glimpses of myself, and I'm like, oh geez, I look terrible. But yes, this is the little cutie. I'm so happy with her. She's so much cuter than I even thought she would be. Her ears have this really adorable dark pink, and they're actually riveted right here, like a real mouse ear, so it's really cute. And her little arms are actually pretty poseable, even though they have no joints in them. They're pretty poseable. And as for her legs, without the sitting legs, I doubt she's going to sit very well. But I think they'll be pretty easy to put on if I just make sure that the elastic does not just pop out of there. You guys know what I mean. All the dolly people out there know all about elastics popping in legs and all that stuff. Ugh. It's like the last thing you want. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, she's so cute. Maybe since I have a little extra time, I can try something else on her because I just want to because she's so cute. I wish it was more light in here, but it's really late. I got home pretty late today. I haven't had much of a chance to do anything yet. Let us see. What shall we do? This might be cute, but I don't know if she can fit into it or not. Let us see. Let's see, what else? Well, I'm trying to jam her into this outfit that I don't know if she can wear. What else? What else? Anything? Trying to think if there's any more news. I've kind of exhausted all my news. I've made a lot of videos the past week. Kitty, stop it. A lot more videos than usual anyways. And I'm not used to it. I don't know. This might be too, that might be too big. I don't know, but I got this little outfit for my new Lottie White here in the next, however long that's going to take. So let's try a Lottie White outfit on her. I think it's going to be really cute. I forget who makes this outfit. It's pretty nice, though. I have to say it's really well made. And it's a really cute little outfit. And I think it will fit on this mouse if I just, come on, can get it over her hands. Come on, little mousey. I don't know her name yet, but I'm pretty sure she's going to be Tattletale's sister, my little mouse girl. She looks like a porker in this. She's kind of jammed in there, so I don't know. That might be a little not the right size. But I do think that I'm going to have some clothes that are going to fit her pretty nice. That might be too big. This might be cute. Once again, I just quit talking. Sorry. I'm just kind of out of it today. So forgive me. This is pretty cute. It's just a little monkey sweater. She looks cute in it. So I'm going to cut this off now, and I'm going to play with this, the most adorable little thing I've ever seen. If you're thinking about getting one of these before the event runs out, my suggestion to you would be, yes, definitely get one of these. She is so cute. Oh, does that look weird? Yes, it does. Definitely get one of these. She's so cute and so sweet, and she looks good in, or at least decent in Pookie clothes. I mean, that looks like a little long dress. I think it's cute. She's a little chubster. I mean, she has a big belly, but she's still really cute. I love Pipos. I really do. I want to get some more of them, but every time I think about it, I just go on to something else. But maybe I'll get some more now that I know that I like them so much. Okay, but I'm going to cut this off because it's getting late and this video is super long. So I will talk to you guys really soon if I figure anything else out or do anything. Bye!